Instagram tagged photo not showing in profile. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram tagged photo not showing in profile. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, just tap on profile icon. Now click on 3-line icon. Scroll down and find tag and mention option and click on it. From here you can see manually approved tags. Just click on review tags. Now click on pending tags. Here you can see pending all tag photos. Now click on select. Now select photo that you want to add your profile. You can select one by one or all. Just select your photo. Now click on manage. From here you can see 3 options. Just click on approve. Now click on add to profile. Now go to your profile. Now see tag photo showing in profile. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.